1,621 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 23rd May 2021. According to media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, Goa's recovery rate is 86.58. In total, 1,26,800 people recovered in Goa. 2,545 people recovered in last 24 hours. 4,568 new samples tested today. In total, 7,87,977 samples are tested in Goa. Total positive cases reported in Goa are 1,46,460. 42 new deaths reported today. In total, 2,383 deaths have been reported till now. Active cases in the state now stands at 17,277. Breakup of total 17,277 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa CSE Picholim 426, CSE Sake 524, CSE Pernem 652, CSE Varpai 440, USC Mapsa 498, USC Punji 973, PSC Aldona 318, PSC Betki 538, PSC Kandolim 758, PSC Kansarvarnam 94, PSC Korwai 253, PSC Kolim 576, PSC Chimpal 806, PSC Sholim 567, PSC Pororim 669, PSC Mayam 149, Travelers by road flight train 5. South Goa CSC Kurchorim 612, CSC Kankona 371, USC Margao 1775, USC Vasco 603, PSC Bali 306, PSC Kansaulim 691, PSC Chinchene 189, PSC Kortalim 693, PSC Kurtorim 544, PSC Lutolim 498, PSC Marsaim 252, PSC Capam 379, PSC Sangyam 290, PSC Shiroda 251, PSC Tarabandora 373, PSC Ponda 922, PSC Navelim 282. Bed capacity in COVID care centers are as follows. District North, total capacity 311, current vacancy 209. District South, total capacity 230, current vacancy 158. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.